Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add Apple Pay to Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it, you cannot directly add Apple Pay as a payment method to Cash App. Instead, you will need to add a debit card or credit card to your Cash App account, which can be later used for payments including Apple Pay transaction. So you need to simply tap open your Cash App, and in the add to payment section, you need to add a card with entering a debit card number. So once the card is linked to your Cash App, you can use Apple Pay to make payments using that particular card. Open the wallet app on your iPhone, choose the debit or credit card you link to your Cash App, and then use Apple Pay to make contactless payments at any location that accepts Apple Pay. So by following this method, you can simply add Apple Pay to your Cash App via adding a debit card or credit card to your Cash App and your Apple Pay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.